as soon as the plane turns around.
Ladies and gentlemen, USA 3000 Airlines welcomes you back to St. Louis, where the local time is 2 p.m. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.
They really cleaned this up well.
Yeah, they did.
Well, let's take a look at what the terminal looks like.
It is safe to stand up and collect any items you may have brought on board. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, as sometimes items shift during flight.
You can see a little debris on the sides.
Please continue to observe the no smoking sign until you're inside the terminal. Once inside, please check for any local smoking ordinances
Stupid rain messing up the autofocus.
at this airport.
Can't see any really apparent damage yet.
On behalf of USA 3000 and this Philadelphia-based crew, it's been our pleasure having you on board today. Please be safe on your drive home.
I don't see any real damage. Well, the C concourse is the part that was supposed to be really bad, so let's take a look at... Oh, there's some boarding up. Plenty of it.
Oh, yeah. They've cleaned a lot of it up.
Stupid rain. It's messing with my autofocus. Oh, yeah, C looks like it's a mess. It's all boarding.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's messed up.
Oh yeah, the jetways look pretty torn up too. There's an ambulance. Yeah. Oh, there's some more boarding. Right there, that's boarding. It's just painted. Too bad we can't see the roof. This damage doesn't look too extensive.
Oh, you do?
Look terrible in the news, but it doesn't look too extensive in person. Then again, we don't know what the inside of that thing looks like with all those windows busted out, wind blowing through, rain. It's probably a real mess in there. Not to mention part of the roof is blown out. Oh, there's a damaged jetway. Stupid rain. Oh, there's some boarding way down there. Some construction crews, not much. It's been cleaned up pretty well. D looks like it's in decent shape, and I know the new terminal sustained almost no damage, so